So my first question in the rapid fire round is, which was the first stock that you had purchased?
SEMI India.
Okay. The first stock where you had made biggest money
Biggest,
or
no,
big money?
fastest is important. Where I made 100x first, that was
Yeah.
Vaishya Bank. Vaishya Bank way back in 91, 92, 100x.
Okay. How much stipend did you get when you started your job?
My job, when after become chartered accountant, I got 3,000 rupees a month, way back in 85 to 87.
Okay. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned you want to pass on to the millennial investors today?
Yeah, there are so many of them, but since it is a stock market related thing, don't bother about predicting the markets. Don't speculate. First thing is don't speculate. Become investor. And there is a fundamental difference between being investor and being a speculator. Today we are trading about 60, 70 lakh crores per day, but 90, 97, 98% is all about speculation. And there, listening to me is useless.
Any big regret that you have had in stock market investments?
See, it's not about the result. It's about just the journey. Every moment I enjoy. Every moment, even giving interview, meeting the companies, seeing even the crash. Even that is the fun.
Okay, what do you value the most in your life?
See, there are only three things: integrity, passion, and competence. So, of the three, I would say the most valuable is integrity.
Okay. And what is money for you?
Ah, money for me, the meaning has changed. When I was young, of course, I was trying to establish my family myself. So meaning was very different. Today, to me, money is like what I can do for the world. The world has been so nice to me. What nice thing I can do for them, which will make a meaningful change. So that it is completely changed. I'm economically free. At some point of time, I was completely economically, dependent on somebody. Today, so my thinking is very different about money.
Okay. A stock or any stocks that you're holding on to since the last 30, 35 years?
Motilal Oswal itself.
Okay, wonderful. One stock that you would like to pass on to your children as inheritance?
Motilal Oswal.
Okay, and one tip from Warren Buffett that you follow even today?
I learned everything from him. Everything from him. Whether it is how to look. See, I think two things I learned, which I think, two things. One is there are two types of businesses: good business, bad business. And a lot of entrepreneurs themselves don't know what is a good business and what is a bad business. So you must understand that you are looking at a good business. Only good businesses compound. Second is good management, bad management. So of 2 by 2, if you have a good business and good management, you are literally 99.999% you are going to make money. And if you buy cheap, then you make tons of money. That's the thing I've learned from Buffett.
And last question on the rapid fire round. What is the target of Sensex that you want to see in your lifetime?
I don't know how long I'll live, but what I've seen.
I wish.
Yeah, so in last 40 years, what I've seen is 15% compounded. I don't see this breaking down right now. Of course, there'll be a stage. On that base to compound will be tough, but I don't see that in foreseeable future. I think we still have 20, 30 years, at least 20, 30 years of rapid expansion for Indian economy. Because Indian economy is really a kid. $2,000 per capita. It's a really, and we have a lot of brains in the sense that we are not the country who should be $2,000 per capita. We should be more like $20,000 minimum. So, there is a lot of potential, and it will be very good journey. It will be a fantastic journey for the economy, for the country, and for of course, the stock market.